Welcome friends. In this video tutorial, we will study one more example from Book of ANSI C by E. Balagurusamy. So in this video tutorial, we will understand use of shorthand assignment operator. And we will see one program to use shorthand assignment operator. So in this program, I have taken two constants and I have defined this constant using preprocessor directories. We can define constant using define directory. Now you know these preprocessor directories. So to define preprocessor directory, first you have to write constant name space value of that constant. I have defined two constants. One is a and second is and I have assigned two different values to each constant. Now let's move to the main function. I have created one variable called a of integer type and I have assigned value of constant a to that small a variable. So now a contains 2, but it is variable. We can modify the value of a at a runtime, but we cannot change the value of capital A because it is a constant. Now I want to find square of a. Iteratively I want to do this process. So I am first putting condition small a less than n. If the value of small a exceeds value of n, which is 100, then program will terminate. If this condition becomes true, then I want to print the value of a. After printing value of a, I want to multiply a into a and storing it into variable a. Means currently value of a is 2, then I want to do a into a means 2 into 2 4 and assigning that value again to variable small a. Now small a contains value of 4. Again condition will be checked and value of a will be printed and again this operation will be performed. Now what shorthand assignment will do? Shorthand assignment are operators that allows us to perform various operations using only one operator which is prefixed before assignment operator. Means this shorthand assignment operator will perform operation like this: a is equal to a into a. So by using this shorthand assignment operator, we are saving our coding time. So there is no need to write a into a. We can directly write a into is equal to a. So this is the use of shorthand assignment operator. Now let's run and see the output. As we can see, first 2 is printed, while loop is running, so it will print 4 because 2 into 2 is equal to 4, 4 into 4 is equal to 16 and 16 into 16 exceeds the value of 100. So condition becomes false and loop is terminated. So these are we can use shorthand assignment operator to perform our operation and saving our time. Thank you.